Alright y'all, so we're targeting a marsh system this morning. It is a beautiful morning out here. Had some rains come through last night. Water's a little bit stained up, so might have to shift some tactics, but we are looking for redfish, maybe even some flounder trout. You never know what's going to be in here. That's kind of the deal today. Y'all stay tuned. Let's see what we can't go catch. Alright y'all, I'm going to start off throwing a Ned Bug by Bugs Fishing this morning. I know the water's a little bit dirty. We might have to change tactics, but when I was cruising out here to the spot, saw a lot of blow-ups real tight to the grass lines. So I feel like if I can put this kind of up in there, up in those little pockets and stuff like that, I feel like if there's a redfish in there, he'll be able to key in on it. He's on. He's on. Oh, he ate so shallow. Man. All right. First fish on the Ned Bug. Oh, that's a good fish. Golly, that's a good one, y'all. Oh, man, I am fighting him on a medium light setup, so not going to horse on him too much. But just targeted him right there on that tiny little point. Man, he was sitting so shallow. Come here. What a beautiful fish. All right, come here. Come here. Get you in the net, buddy. Get a nice release on you. We're not keeping anything today. Come here. All right. Boom, boom. All right, y'all check that guy out right there on the Ned Bug. First fish of the morning. Man, I mean, crazy how aggressive that fish was with eating that lure. All right, bud, let's get that hook out of you. Get you back in the water, and I'm gonna try to catch another one. All right, dude. It's kind of missing his fin right there. See that little fin right there on that side? He's missing one completely on that side. Man, sorry about your luck, little fella. All right. Bye-bye. All right, we're on him. Got a good looking little creek mouth right here. Actually looks like more like a little drain, because I don't think it goes very far back there before it dead ends, but nevertheless has a perfect spot for a redfish to ambush something. He's on. He's on. Ah, doggone trout. All right, now we just need a flounder, huh? Golly, smoked it right at the boat. Sitting there twitching it back to me, I felt my line go slack. I'm like, yep, got him. All right, a little trout right here. Would not expect trout to still be in these creeks like this, but apparently there's some stragglers, which this is just a little fella. Maybe he hasn't developed the instincts yet to migrate out towards the flats, but man, another victim to the Ned rig. See ya. All right, we're gonna go ahead and head out of this creek right here and go back to where we started this morning. Came up in this creek thinking I'd find cleaner water. Typically that's the case, but it really got dirtier the deeper we got back up in here. So we're gonna ease back up towards the mouth and focus on a couple of areas where we started at. All right, y'all, we made it back out here where we started this morning. I'm gonna set the Ned rig down for just a minute. I'm gonna pick up a Wakebait. The water's pretty dirty right now, so I need something that can put off a little bit of vibration, some rattle, a little bit of flash, right? So I hope anyways, that this Wakebait's gonna be the deal. Oh, did he come off? Golly, Nate. God, dude. He smoked it. Oh, so sick. There he is. Oh no, there's a pole right there. Okay, all right, calm down. Gotta get off the pole. Gotta get off the pole. Oh man, in a bad way. Okay, hold on. It's a decent fish. That is a decent fish. He had me in bad shape right there. Man, that's another one that bit right there on a point. This one on the wakebait though. Oh no, don't run around that pole again. He's definitely staying down. It's got to be a good fish. No, no, don't run back there. Oh my God, he's going back to the pole again. Okay, go back, go back, go back. Oh my goodness. Okay, he's going away from the pole. He's going away from the pole. Oh man, this dude is strong, y'all. Oh my goodness. Woo, he's just running. I think this one might be a bull red. This one might be a bull. There's just a lot of brute strength on this fish right here. Man, that's a big fish. Come here. Come here, don't get away from me. Get some line back. At least we're away from that pole now, right? Got our drag set right. Just releasing line. As soon as she's swimming off, everything's good. Don't need no hooks to pull here. Let me see you one time. Oh, what a beautiful fish. Dark bronze color. Man, golly, this dude is on juice. So this is a medium heavy setup right here. Look, we got 20-pound test all the way around on this one. So not really in any kind of fear of my line breaking now, especially that I'm away from that pole. The only thing got to worry about here is those hooks pulling, especially those small treble hooks. Come on, come on, give up. We're gonna get you back in the water. Definitely hossing on it a little more than I should, but we are not keeping. It's not a tournament, anything like that, which I think that might, if we were in a tournament, that might be a perfect fish. Woo, barely hooked. Barely hooked. I'm talking about one hook in the top of the nose. Oh my God. Look how fat that fish is. Holy cow. That freaking fish is so fat. Y'all look how fat that redfish is right there. Holy cow. Man, beautiful. Beautiful fish. I think it's gonna go over 26, but if it was within 26, oh, 26 and a quarter, dude. I mean, when you're in a tournament and you're looking for a redfish, this one's a tad bit too long, but that's what you want. I mean, just an awesome fish, provided an awesome fight. I enjoyed it, buddy. Get you off right here. All right, there you go. Bye-bye. Man, what a fish, dude. That dude did everything he could to try to get away from me. I mean, he wrapped me around that pole twice. The important thing is that when you get in that situation, is that you don't try to fight against that fish. That's a losing battle. You're best to open your bail up, let that fish swim, get your line around the pole, whatever, and then continue to fight. If it gets off, it gets off. But if you try to fight against a pylon like that, barnacles down there, it's just gonna snap you off. So I was able to get that fish in. We're gonna get back out here, chunk some lures, try to pick up another one. Get a lot of questions about the gear, the tackle, everything that I'm using. So I'm gonna link all that down in the description. So if you're curious about these lures, where to get them, the rods, reels, everything I got on my boat today or kayak will be down in the description below. Also, if y'all wanna know where I'm fishing at and everything that goes into this trip right here to catch these fish, I'm gonna put that on Patreon, where I will do a Google Earth overlay of this entire trip, showing y'all where I launched from, where all these fish are caught, and then most importantly, why these fish are here. Even if you're not from the area, if you're, you know, in Virginia or Texas or whatever, y'all can still take a lot away from that and look for areas that are very similar and apply it to your waterways as well. So I'm gonna link that up here and put that down in the description for my Patreon page. But yeah, let's get back after it. I would say that the Wakebait decision has paid off, but dude, I threw a lot of shoreline to be able to finally find that fish. So it's just a matter of several things right now, really. One, we're post front, so we had a lot of storms come through. You see how cloudy it is. We're on a tail end of a front right now that's pushing through some bad storms just to the north of us right now. But on top of that, we have no tidal movement. You can see it's just pushed deep up in the grass, which is kind of what I like. I like that, but it's always better when that water is being sucked out of that grass, right? And we have no tidal movement right now. And then to top it all off, this water in here is normally crystal clear. I mean, you can sight cast redfish in here. This is one of my favorite redfish spots right here, but it's just chocolate milk right now. So these fish are really having to key in more on noise, flash, vibration, things like that. It's just making it tough. He's on. He's on. Oh man. He not slacking. It didn't feel like it was gonna be big at first. Oh yeah, that's a decent fish. I'm not sure how decent yet. Oh yeah. See, he hit it and was running forward, just not slacking it. Made me lose contact with my lure. That is another decent redfish. It's starting to turn on now. We got a lot of cloud covers. The wind picked up. We started focusing on this wind-blown bank back here. And now, bam! All right, we're on to something now, y'all. Man, look how just dark and beautiful these redfish are. Come here. Don't try to boat flip you, buddy. Don't get a hook in me. Yeah. All right, y'all. Look at that redfish number 3, smallest one of the morning, but it fought like crazy. Look how dark that redfish is right there. I mean, it's crazy. There's something crazy about these redfish. You get in here, these marsh, deep creek, mud bottom redfish are just that deep bronze color. Then you go out, you fish like sandbars, a real sandy area. Those redfish lose that color and they kind of get a lot lighter. So just beautiful fish all together. Go ahead and wrap it up there. Landed 3 good redfish and a bonus trout. Missed a couple of redfish out here. Only threw 2 lures today, through the Ned Bug, and then I also threw the Wakebait. The Wakebait caught the 2 later on in the day. Ned Bug caught the first one. The Ned Bug is a deadly lure for catching redfish up in that grass, up in that structure, because I mean, it mimics a shrimp perfect. You can work it real slow and it's just an awesome lure. But in these muddy conditions, I need something that those redfish can key in on. Swapped over to the Wakebait, caught 2 other redfish. So awesome day out here. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, hit that like button, comment with any questions, subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see y'all next time.